Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to your English lesson with me, Miss Nurul Umi Shuhada. So, I would just like to inform you before we go ahead with our lesson that this week you are going to have 2 English lessons with me because we need to catch up on something. And this week is also our last online session together, as next week you'll be going for your school holiday, and then right after that we are going to see each other for our first face-to-face session in 2021. Okay, so I can't wait to meet all of you, and I hope that we can get along together very well. And don't forget to finish all of your homework. Okay, hai semua, minggu ni kita akan ada 2 English session sebab minggu ni minggu terakhir kita online, and then lepas tu minggu depan kamu akan bercuti, dan kemudian kita akan jumpa secara bersemuka buat pertama kalinya. So teacher harap kita boleh bekerjasama and kamu dapat siapkan, or kamu dah siapkan kerja yang teacher bagi sebelum-sebelum ni. Alright, let's get right on to our lesson. Okay, have a look at this sentence. Lot it a grow will. So this is your warmer activity. What I need you to do is you need to rewrite the sentence with the words in the correct order in your book. Okay, so dalam buku kamu nampak ayat ni, lot it a grow will. Salin balik tapi susun ayat ini menjadi ayat yang betul. Ini bersepah ni. This is a discombobulated sentence. So what I need you to do is rearrange the words and create a proper sentence and write it in your book. Okay, so this will be your warmer activity. Ini ialah aktiviti pemanas kamu. Sila buat ya. Now, let's get to your first activity. Please refer to your textbook, page 67 for this part of the lesson. Okay, seems like I flipped to a wrong page, so I'm just going to go to page 67 real quick. Okay, so page 67, this week you are going to learn about grammar, future time expressions. Kita akan belajar mengenai future time expressions. Focus on the word future. Okay, time expressions mean the word that we use to describe time. Okay, dalam bahasa Melayu dia masa. Kalau kita nak cakap pasal masa ni, kita pakai time expression. Nak tunjuk bila benda tu terjadi. Future maksudnya masa depan. So, this week we're going to talk about the future time expressions. Kalau kita nak cakap pasal benda yang akan berlaku, perkataan apa yang kita akan pakai. So, first thing first, copy this table. Okay, this is in your textbook, page 67, yeah? Copy this table, and then in the next part of this video I will explain to you greater on the usage of future time expressions. Okay, kalau nak explain secara simple, I can just go ahead and read this part. Time expressions plus will and time expression plus when and will. Okay, when we make predictions about the future with will, we often use time expressions like tomorrow, next week, this summer, one day, or soon. Okay, biar dia cakap kalau kita pakai time expression ataupun kita nak jangka pasal masa depan dengan perkataan will ni, kita akan pakai perkataan macam tomorrow, next week, this summer, one day dan juga soon. Okay, dia tak ada tetap. Maknanya akan datang one day, soon. Okay, now when we use phrases with when, we use it like this. When I go shopping, I'll buy some new shoes. Okay, when I go shopping, I'll buy some new shoes. When ni dia lebih kepada kita dah plan dah benda tu. But in our plan, we have another plan in it. Okay, so I'll explain to you deeper in this part. Okay, will. The future, we use the future time expression with will when we want to make predictions. Okay, what does it mean by predictions? It means something that we predict to happen or to do, something that we think we might do, something that we plan that we will do. Ini prediction maksud dia jangkaan, sesuatu yang kita jangka, yang kita rancang untuk buat. Tak semestinya kita buat, tapi it's something that we have in mind, it's something that we plan to do. Predictions. Okay, for example, tomorrow I will go to my grandma's house. Esok saya akan pergi ke rumah nenek saya. Or the second example, this school break I will work on my drawing. pada musim cuti sekolah ni saya akan belajar atau tingkatkan kemahiran melukis saya. Okay, so kalau will dipakai macam ni je, dia ada time expression, okay, and then you use the word will. Now, what's the difference between will and when? When is used when you want to talk about something that we have planned in the future. Okay, ini cakap pasal masa depan juga. Tapi yang ini, kita ada plan nak buat something in the future, tapi dalam plan tu ada lagi satu benda kita nak buat. For example, when I go to school, I will greet my friends. Bila saya ke sekolah, saya akan bertegur sapa dengan kawan-kawan saya. Okay, so you ada plan tak nak pergi sekolah? Yes, you do. Tapi, apa yang you akan buat kat sekolah? You pakai when dekat sini. When I go to school, I will greet my friends. Okay, so satu plan definite, you memang akan buat. Lagi satu ada lagi, nak buat apa lagi dalam tu? Yang kedua, when I go shopping, I will buy some new shoes. Bila saya pergi beli belah nanti, saya akan beli beberapa pasang kasut. So what's your first plan is to go shopping. And what will you do when you go shopping? You will buy some new shoes. Nampak tak? Okay, so you ada plan, tapi dalam plan tu ada lagi plan lain. So you nak kalau nak bagi tahu bila kita nak pergi somewhere, kita akan buat benda ni, kita kena ada pakai when. Tapi kalau benda tu macam esok dah nak pergi ke, minggu depan dah nak pergi ke, dah ada time expression, tak perlu pakai when. Okay, pakai will sahaja. Okay, so make sure that you copy this table into your book for your first part. Now, activity 2. For activity 2, we are still going to refer to page 67. Now, what do you need to do? Copy everything that are here. Okay, copy first and then complete the sentences with the correct form of the verbs in brackets. Okay, dalam bracket ni, dalam kurungan, nampak tak yang teacher bulatkan ni, teacher nak explain nanti. Okay, kamu kena salin dulu semua soalan ni. Kemudian kita tengok number 1, please everyone. Let's have a look at number 1. When we blank in bracket be in Paris, we blank go shopping. Okay, do you see the word be in here? B-E. Okay, B-E means you have to choose between is, am, or are. Okay, do not put the word be in your answer, but choose one. Okay, so tengok dia punya noun. Look at the subject. Is it plural or is it singular? I believe I've given you enough notes on singular and plural nouns, so you might want to refer to that and look at the auxiliary verb used after this noun. Okay, teacher dah pernah bagi nota, kita nak pakai is ke, am ke, are kalau ada we ni. So tolong tengok nota grammar kamu dan kamu pasti akan jumpa jawapan dia. Nak pilih mana? Is ke, am ke, are? Bila nampak perkataan be dalam kurungan, maksudnya kena pilih antara tiga ni. Jadi kamu tak boleh isi when we be in Paris, we go shopping. No, that is not how it works. Okay, so tadi baru teacher explain, bila kita pakai when dekat sini kita nak pakai apa? Ada satu plan, tapi dalam plan ni nak buat benda lagi satu. Macam mana ayat tu? Dia sudah I've explained it to you in the first part. Okay, now I try lots of different clothes on, but I not buy them all. So dekat sini you kena letak when ke, will ke, nak letak kat mana? Okay, will try lots of different clothes on, but I will not buy them all. When not buy them all? Okay, you pilih. Samalah sampai soalan nombor 4. Okay? Tapi ingat, bila jumpa perkataan be lagi sekali, kena pilih is atau am atau are. Alright? And that's your second activity. Let's get to the third part. Activity number 3. Refer to your textbook still, page 67. What you're going to do is, first, copy everything. Salin semua. Make predictions about your future. Use these phrases to help you. Wow. Okay, so for the third part, this section wants you to make predictions about your future. Dia nak kamu jangka pasal masa depan kamu. Kita bukan nak tengok like Doctor Strange punya power boleh tengok masa depan, masa belakang tak ada we just want to see what we have in future, what we might want to be in the future. Okay, now use these phrases to help you. You can use these phrases in this box here to help you finish the sentence. Okay, yang dekat atas ni kamu boleh pilih nak pakai atau tak. Okay, kalau tak nak pakai boleh, nak pakai pun boleh. You can choose whether to use it or not to use it. Okay, but also I would love to highlight to you to use the contraction for will. Okay, I'm so sorry. There's been a slight error here. It's contraction. Okay, try to use the contraction for will, which is apostrophe LL. Okay, contraction ni maksudnya singkatan. Okay, tengok contoh dekat sini. When I'm 28, I'll live in Johor. Bila saya berusia 28 tahun, saya akan tinggal di Johor. You could just go ahead and write when I'm 28, I will live in Johor. But I do not wish for you to do that. Instead, I want you to write it as I'll live in Johor. Cuba pakai contraction tu. Contraction tu ialah singkatan. I believe I've explained it to you. Okay, this is the fourth part. If you look at your textbook, page 67, you will see the section would like. It means that we are entering a new part of this lesson. First was the future time expressions and now the would like. Now, apa maksud would like ni? Ada tajuk warna biru tu kan, nampak tak? Okay, this part right here, you can see in your book. What does it mean by would like? First, copy everything. Salin dulu semua. Dah siap salin, baru sambung video ni. Kita ada would like plus infinitive, affirmative and negative, questions and short answers. And I'm sure all students who are in my class know what it means by affirmative and negative, questions and short answers are, right? Okay, teacher akan teruskan. Would like. Apa maksud would like ni? Would like ni, maksud dia, it means that you want something or you want to do something. Okay, maksud dia awak nak sesuatu atau nak buat sesuatu. Let's have a look at the first part. Would like plus infinitive. Perlu salin tak bahagian ni? Kalau kamu rasa perlu, salin. Kalau tak nak salin, tak apa. Do you need to copy this section? It is totally up to you. If you want to copy it, then you can go ahead and do it. Okay, would like plus infinitive. Apa maksud infinitive? Okay, bila dia cakap infinitive ni, maksud dia perkataan to. Nampak tak yang teacher gelapkan ni? Nombor 2 ni, perkataan to. Okay, we use would like to mean want. Kita pakai would like untuk maksudkan hendak. Kita hendak sesuatu. Okay, we use the infinitive to after it. Lepas pakai want, mesti ada to. I would like to. Lepas pakai would like, mesti ada to. I'm so sorry. Okay, after you use would like, you must add the infinitive to. Would like to. Okay. For example, I would like to drink. I would like to drink. Mesti ada would like, mesti ada to. Tak boleh would like drink. I would like drink. I would like toilet. I would like food. I would like massive house. I would like to drink. I would like to go to the toilet. I would like to eat. Okay? Now, second one, we have affirmative and negative. Affirmative ialah ayat penyata, negative ayat yang ada perkataan no atau not. Okay, for example, awak nak pakai would like in affirmative sentence. I would like to borrow your pen. Or you can contract the word I and would, and then it will become I'd like to borrow your pen. Okay, dia ada I would, tapi bila kita contractkan dia akan jadi I'd. Okay, number 2, we have the negative sentence. Negative, it means that in the sentence there's the word no or not. Okay, Tom would not like to miss the concert. Tom tak nak ketinggalan konsert tu. Or you can also write Tom wouldn't like to miss the concert. Tom tak nak ketinggalan konsert itu. Okay, wouldn't sama dengan would not. Okay, I'd sama dengan I would. Okay, faham? Now we have questions and short answers. Maksudnya bila tanya soalan pakai would like, macam mana nak tanya soalan pakai would like? Would you like to take the dog for a walk? So would letak kat depan. Ada noun dekat tengah. Lepas tu baru letak like to. So would you like to take the dog for a walk? Kalau jawapan kamu nak, yes, I would. Kalau jawapan kamu tak, no, I wouldn't. Okay? Bila soalan, would ni letak di depan, noun di tengah. Tapi kalau ayat penyata, would ni di tengah, I ataupun noun dia di depan. Okay? Let's move to the next part. Activity 4. What do we have in activity 4? Kita dah belajar. We've learned how to use would like. Now, let's have a look at the exercise. Okay, what do you need to do? Copy all of the questions. Copy everything that are here. And then, write sentences using would like or wouldn't like. Okay, first, you tengok ayat-ayat ni. And then write sentences using would like or wouldn't like. At the end of the sentence, it will give you this little marking here, X tick, X tick. It means that if it gives you an X, you would have to write the sentence in negative form or wouldn't like. If it gives you a tick, you'll have to write the sentence in affirmative form, which is would like. Kalau dekat hujung ayat soalan ni, tengok number 1 ada X, number 2 ada tick kan. So maksudnya dekat X ni dia nak kamu tulis dalam ayat tu ada wouldn't like. Okay, nampak tak? Kalau dekat hujung ayat tu dia ada tanda tick ni, maksudnya ayat tu mesti dalam bentuk would like, iaitu affirmative. Okay, don't get it mixed up. Now we have one more activity. Don't worry, it's very easy, it's so simple. Activity 5. Okay, still page 67. What do you need to do is read everything that are here. Okay, this is a math problem and you don't have to copy every single thing here. Tak perlu salin semua. What you need to do is just read this text, comprehend it, and then circle the correct answers for question 1 until 8. As you can see, there are numbers here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So what you need to do is just circle the correct answer. But don't circle it in your book. Just write it in your book, okay? It's simple. Just write the number of the question and then write your answer. Okay? So apa yang kamu perlu buat ialah salin soalan pula. Bukan salin soalan. Baca semua ni, tulis nombor soalan dan tulis jawapan kamu. For example, activity 5, question 1. Apa jawapan kamu? A buy. So, write a buy. You don't have to copy the whole text. Okay, and that is it for your lesson for today. See you in the second one in our upcoming session. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye-bye.